Hey, okay, welcome back to the Caribou Data Science channel. Let's see what we got going on here. Okay, good. So we're going on to the, we got this Caribou Data Science. This is another impromptu session, uh, which happens frequently with me. We're taking a look at, we're taking a second look at HaikuOS, Emacs, and and uh, and some energy data from our world in data. Uh, the problem I ran into is let's see if I can actually maybe show. Let's write a quick plot here. Okay. So this is going to be a straight line plot. Okay. Now the trouble with HaikuOS is that, of course, is what? Well, it it doesn't really work with any of the terminal settings. Term, is it EL? Term. How do you spell terminal? Okay. Set output to, let's see. Okay. Plot. Okay. What columns? Well, the first column is the year. Let's open a new tab here. So the first column is date. Okay. The first column is date. Now it's interesting because this shouldn't be there. Okay. The first column shouldn't be there. Population. So let's just do column 1 and 2, just for demonstration purposes. We're going to plot the population of the U.S. Okay. Okay, so we're going to do a simple plot here. Okay, so we don't really need that. So we should be able to try. If I could spell terminal, that would be eventually helpful, wouldn't it? Term. Is that what it is? Term in all. Okay, well, we'll get rid of grid for right now. Of course, if I spelled replot correctly, it'd be helpful also, wouldn't it? So let's open up our thing here and see what our plot looks like. We got a plot here. And it looks a little crazy here, okay? And I think the reason is because it's not creating it as a date, okay? It's not creating it as a date. Even though it looks like we've got a date down here, I don't think it's actually being treated as a time series, because there should only be one continuous line, all right? That's the point, because there's only one date for let's do this. Let's say so if we look up here, all right. Oh, look, oh, the trouble is what? Well, the trouble is, daggone its hide, the data is not sorted correctly, is it? Jeez. So I need to sort the data. This is really strange. So let's do this. Sort dash K 1, 1. Now why that's sorted backwards, I really don't know. Okay. All right. So let's come back over here. Open up USA sorted. Let's change the name of the file. Okay. Come back up here. You see, that still doesn't look right, does it? Even though the columns should have been sorted correctly now. You see, they are sorted now, okay? Right? So I think the problem is that it's not reading them as a it's not reading them as being a time, like a continuous time, okay? So we'll come back over here to our Windows side, then come back up here. And do this. Control P to the next. Oh. Control P to go to the next line, down to here. And we're going to tell it that it is a T, okay? Okay. Uh-oh. Okay. You know what the problem could be? We don't actually have a date format set up, do we? Oh. What we're going to do after this is, so let's see what happens here. Good. Look over here. Okay. 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 Oh, okay. Oh, so the trouble was what? Oh, the only trouble is we need to rotate oh no, we need to rotate the X axis. How long have we been at this right now? Let's see. 20 minutes. So let's do this. Control X, Control C again. Over here. Oh, we need to. Whoops. So. Okay. How far down did we move them? Okay. Let's try two. The trouble is we moved the curve off the picture. Oh, wow. That's interesting. Well, I tell you what, my friends, for whatever reason, the years are now on the the year is now on the y-axis. Interesting. Okay. Well, anyway, so we did make some progress. We did to a certain extent get the time series function to work. All we have to do now is just work on the you know, we could try. We could try simply using the second column, just simply you know, the time format is year. But anyway, that's a subject for a different day. So anyway, we actually made pretty good progress with our our Haiku and our Gnuplot and our Emacs again. Okay, so anyway, this is a second thing, which we will. I'll put this up here shortly. I may schedule it for for Monday or something like that. But anyway, just as a reminder, this Wednesday we'll be wrapping up the R portion of our Furniture Mart data set, and a week from today, Sunday, we'll begin all over again Project 1 using Python, Pandas, and friends, okay? Tidyverse, or not Tidyverse. But anyway, that's it for right now, folks. Thanks so much for your time. I'm just going to shut the old system down here. Power off.